Mondays are the start of the work week, which offer new beginnings 52 times a year. Real change, enduring change, happens one step at a time. Monday is for people with a mission. I must break the routines and become a person who becomes productive every Monday. I must break the mindset of unhappiness and turn myself into a happy magnet for Mondays. Your talent determines what you can do. Your motivation determines how much you're willing to do. Your attitude determines how well you do it. There are many opportunities in every single day, and Monday is the perfect day to seize them all. I'm always thinking about creating. My future starts when I wake up every morning. Every day I find something creative to do with my life. This should be the spirit. Every Monday, know that something good will always happen. It's Monday. Get a new perspective. Whatever obstacle you're facing, it's not permanent. I didn't get there by wishing for it or hoping for it, but by working for it. Encourage yourself, believe in yourself, and love yourself. Never doubt who you are. You don't have to see the whole staircase. Just take the first step. This is your Monday morning reminder that you can handle whatever this week throws at you. Okay, it's Monday, but who said Mondays have to suck? Be a rebel and have a great day anyway. Today is your opportunity to build the tomorrow you want. Mondays are tough only for those people who don't know how to spend them cheerfully. Get up and have fun today. Success is to wake up each morning and consciously decide that today will be the best day of your life. Things work out best for those who make the best of how things work out. Your talent determines what you can do. Your motivation determines how much you are willing to do. Your attitude determines how well you do it. When you start to do the things that you truly love, it wouldn't matter whether it's Monday or Friday. You would be so excited to wake up each morning to work on your passions. We only have one life, and it is very precious. And there's a lot we can do, and there's a lot we should do. Your Monday morning thoughts set the tone for your whole week. See yourself getting stronger and living a fulfilling, happier, and healthier life. What starts on Monday should carry through to Friday. That is, enthusiasm. Every day, think as you wake up, today I am fortunate to be alive. I have a precious human life. I am not going to waste it. The worst Monday is the one that gets wasted for nothing. Every morning you have two choices: continue to sleep with your dreams, or wake up and chase them. If Joan of Arc could turn the tide of an entire war before her 18th birthday, you can get out of bed. Yesterday is ashes, tomorrow wood. Only today does the fire burn brightly. Action is the foundational key to all success. Nobody can go back and start a new beginning, but anyone can start today and make a new ending. You do not find the happy life, you make it. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. Don't count the days. Make the days count. Nothing is impossible. The word itself says, I'm possible. You don't need a new year to make a change. All you need is a Monday. Hey, I know it's Monday, but it's also a new day and a new week, and in that lies a new opportunity for something special to happen. You've got to get up every morning with determination if you're going to go to bed with satisfaction. The best way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. The most effective way to do is to do it. Even the best weeks start with Monday. Believe on Monday the way you believe on Sunday. Either you run the day, or the day runs you. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. May your coffee be strong, and your Mondays be short. If you get up in the morning and think the future is going to be better, it is a bright day. Otherwise, it's not. What you do today can improve all your tomorrows. Don't let yesterday take up too much of today. You are in control. Never allow your Monday to be manic. Every day brings new choices. The beginning is always today. All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. Thanks for watching the video to the end. Please leave your comments, which sayings and quotes you loved about the Monday inspiration.